Good morning, friends. Good morning, children. We have to take up another lesson today, reported speech. This lesson is different to all other lessons that we had taken earlier. Earlier, we had been trying only to respond to the real life situations directly, but here the situation is different. Here, somebody has already responded to the real life situation, and we need to report that. This is also a real life situation. So let us see first what is reported speech. Let us have an introduction of it. Let's see what a speech is first then. What is a speech? If you consider it in broad sense, then you will get the answer. A speech is what we speak, simply, or the original words of speaker. That is a speech. Here speech does not mean something that is delivered from the stage, a long composition. No. Speech simply means what we speak is a speech. Let us see the example. Sita to Ram. Reference of Ramayana once again. I want the golden skin of this deer. See, these are the original words of Sita. She is the original speaker here. So this is a speech. Let us see what is a reported speech now. Now we can see what a reported speech is. Let's question them. What is reported speech? Then let us try to have an answer. Then answer is, sometimes we need to reproduce the original words or speech in our own words. Then it becomes a reported speech. Example here. Sita urged Ram that she wanted the golden skin of the deer. This is reported speech. Sometimes the whole of this sentence is called reported speech, and sometimes only that portion that she wanted the golden skin of that deer is also taken as reported speech. Okay, let's take it on the whole sentence as reported speech. Now, then let us see what are the contents in reported speech. In a reported speech, we mention name of the speaker, sometimes the name of the listener too, as it is so here in this case. Third, a verb that shows the speaker's mood, purpose, and the manner of speaking. This verb is known as reporting verb. See the example here. Sita to Ram, same example. Original words, I want golden skin of this deer. Then converted into reported speech. Sita urged Ram that she wanted the golden skin of that deer. Here, reported speech. Here, what do you see? Sita is a speaker. Ram is listener. Urged is reporting verb, right? She wanted the golden skin of that deer is reported speech. And that is connector, right? Furthermore, we have to make some changes in the original words of the speaker while changing them into reported speech. Let us see what are these changes that we make in the original words of a speaker, in the reported speech I mean. Let us see them in the given example. Same example. Sita to Ram. I want golden skin of this deer. Then it is converted into repeated speech. Sita urged Ram that she wanted the golden skin of the deer. Right? So here want is changed into wanted. This is the change of tense. Tense change. Tense of the speech is changed. I is changed into she. This is pronoun change. And then this is changed into that. This comes in other changes. Let us see why and how these changes take place. We have to change the tense and the time of speaking changes. Certainly. We report what the first speaker has already said. Hence, the tense of speech normally changes into past, right? First speaker spoke something, that time passed, and after that you reported or somebody reported it. So certainly that is the matter of past now. Then the pronoun changes when the speaker changes, certainly. In the original situation, speaker was somebody else. Originally, speaker uses pronoun I and we for himself or herself and you for the listener. But when another person other than first speaker or listener says the same thing, reports the same thing, the first or original speaker and listener will become third person for him. In the above case, I is changed into she. See, I became third person now. See, as Sita will use I for herself, but others will use she for her. Right? Other changes are to be done because of the changes in time, place, and position in case of reported speech. Right? Now, changes in reported speech, that is continuing. Let's take another example to be more accurate. Sita said to Lakshman, I want you to help your brother. Change it into reported speech. Sita asked Lakshman that she wanted him to help his brother. Right? Here, Sita is the speaker and Lakshman is the listener. Therefore, Sita uses you for him, but in reported speech, others will use him for Lakshman and she for Sita, as Lakshman is not their listener, nor is Sita a speaker. Next, your is possessive case of you for Lakshman. Hence, we have used his in place of your. Imagine the situation if Sita herself reports it to somebody or Lakshman reports to somebody afterwards. That would be a different situation. Remember that. Thus, it is clear that we make these changes in reported speech so as to express the same meaning so that the sense does not change. But everything cannot be put in rules. There are many more changes and applications which depend on our common sense and the situation where, when, and how reported speech is used. Sometimes even sentence form also needs to be changed. In such cases, no rules work. No such rules work, but still we have to give some rules to guide the students. The basic learners. Here is the list of changes. That is the change in tense first. When reporting verb is in past, we change the tense of speech as follows. Simple present is changed into simple past. Present continuous into past continuous. Present perfect into past perfect. Present perfect continuous into past perfect continuous, and simple past into past perfect, and past continuous into past perfect continuous. Past perfect and past perfect continuous tenses have no change. For future tenses, shall or will into would, may into might, can into could. Right? Now, list of changes in pronoun. First, I, we, me, us, my and our. I mean first person pronoun in speech are changed according to the speaker. Second, you and yours, that is second person pronoun in speech are changed according to the listener, if any. Third one, pronouns in third person in speech are not changed. List of changes, the other changes. This is changed into that, these into those, ago into before, here into there, come into go, yesterday into the previous day, tomorrow into the next day, last into the previous. Right? Now let us have exercise on it. Exercise assertive sentences. Let's see the example first. Mark the changes in reporting verb and reported speech in the following examples. First one, Geeta said, I have got bored staying here. That is put into reported speech. Geeta said or Geeta agreed that she had got bored staying there. Right? What did you see? As per the sense, reporting verb is changed into grieved. Then connector that I is changed into she because it is used for Geeta. Right? Has got bored, present perfect tense is changed into past perfect. Had got bored. And then here is changed into there. Other changes. So this way our reported speech is ready. Second example, Geeta said to mother, I have got bored. Here, Geeta told her mother. There is listener, so said to is put into told, is changed into told. So Geeta told her mother that she had got bored, right? Said or say is changed into told or tell if the name of the listener comes next. Now change the following on your own. Here are some examples, some direct speeches are given that you need to change into indirect, that is reported speech. That is continuing from 1 to 12 on the next slide. Okay, so you convert them into reported speech. Now exercise on interrogative sentences. I mean to say that if a speech is an interrogative sentence, then what to do? Let us see. B. If the speech is in interrogative form, we use if or whether as connector, right? In place of that, we have to use if or whether. Reporting verb is changed into ask or asked. Okay. See the example. He said to me, do you need his help? See the reporting verb. He asked me. Connector you see. If you can use whether also. Then interrogative sentence is changed into assertive. I mean positive or negative you see. Do you need his help is converted first into I needed his help. Helping verb has come to this side. Right? I need his help, and that by changing the tense that has become I needed his help. You, according to the listener me, it has become I, right? So remember to change the interrogative into assertive, I mean positive or negative form before making the required changes. Remove the question mark too. Alright? So this is how to put the interrogative speeches into reported speech. Now change the following into reported speech, right? You can do it now. Next is exercise on WH questions. What to do with WH questions if they are the speech? Let us see. When a speech is in question form, that is WH questions, take the interrogative pronouns, I mean WH words, I mean questioning word as a connector. That's right. There is no other connector required. Only that questioning word that begins with WH normally, that will be taken as connector. You will see that we have an interrogative form of sentence left. After you have taken it away from the speech, you will have an interrogative sentence left. Then we'll change that as we have done above. I mean to say that you know how to change the interrogative sentences first into assertive and then making the required changes and putting it as reported speech. See the example. The mother said, what does she want to do? Here mother asked, then what is taken as connector? Mother asked what? Then left is does she want to do? Change it into positive and then make the required changes, and that would become the reported speech. So she wants is changed into wanted to do, right? So the mother asked what she wanted to do, right? So it's easy. Now change the following into reported speech. Here are some sentences that you need to change. That is for exercise. Do it now. After all, we have seen how to put these sentences, I mean positive, negative, interrogative, and WH questions into reported speech. We have to say the same meaning in reported speech, remember that. This is what we have to hold in our mind. The changes are made in reported speech only to ensure that sense of the speaker does not change. Okay, so be careful. Keep on learning. All the best. Thank you very much.